Pick up your pencil, come with me. Let's trace the letters A to Z. Big and small, we'll sing along, writing letters in our song. Letters A to F. Big A, slant and cross. Small A's a circle, line across. Big B, line down, 2 bumps to C. Small B, line down, 1 bump for me. Big C, curve around, open wide. Small c, a little curve inside. Big D, line down, then a curve around. Small d, circle and a line we found. Big E, line down, 3 lines across. Small e, curve with a line, no loss. Big F, line down, top, middle 2. Small f, curves with a line for you. Trace it up, trace it down, letters dancing all around. Big and small from A to Z, come and write your ABC. Letters G to L. Big G, big curve, add a line. Small g, a circle and tail so fine. Big H, 2 lines and a cross in the middle. Small h, tall line, then a hump like a riddle. Big I, a line with top and base. Small I, short line, dot in place. Big J, a line with a hook below. Small j, with a dot to show. Big K, line down then slant up and down. Small k, same but smaller crown. Big L, line down across the floor. Small l, just a line, nothing more. Trace it up, trace it down, letters dancing all around. Big and small from A to Z, come and write your ABC. Letters M to R. Big M, 2 peaks, mountain high. Small N, 3 humps, side by side. Big N, line down, slant line again. Small N, 1 hump, my friend. Big O, big circle, round and neat. Small O, tiny circle, can't be beat. Big P, line down with a bump on top. Small p, line down, small bump won't stop. Big Q, circle with a little tail. Small q, a circle with line that trail. Big R, line down, bump and a leg out far. Small r, a line with a tiny arm. Trace it up, trace it down, letters dancing all around. Big and small from A to Z, come and write your ABC. Letters S to Z. Big S, curvy like a snake. Small s, a smaller shape to make. Big T, line down, cross on top. Small t, short line across, won't stop. Big U, curve up, straight and tall. Small u, little curve, that is all. Big V, slant down, slant up again. Small v, same but shorter friend. Big W, down, up, small but with little zigzag cup. Big X, 2 lines that cross just so. Small x, smaller lines that go. Big Y, slant, line below. Small y, slant down with a tail to show. Big Z, zig and zag with cheer. Small z, tiny zigzag here. Trace it up, trace it down, letters dancing all around. Big and small from A to Z, great job kids, you traced with me. Awesome work, friends. You traced all the letters from A to Z. Keep practicing every day, and soon you'll be amazing writers.